Hello, my name is Robin Poulsen from Texas Instruments. This video will show you how to conduct a two-proportion Z interval given statistics, enter categorical counts into a matrix, and conduct a chi-squared test on that data. The data used is from the April 9th, 2020 TI YouTube Live AP Statistics Office Hours event with Darren Starnes and Josh Tabor. All materials from the event are available at education.ti.com. Let's get started. In this question, we have a long-term study of 3,462 randomly selected adults from Switzerland. Researchers investigated the relationship between weekly napping frequency and whether or not a person experienced an event related to cardiovascular disease, CVD, such as a heart attack. The two-way table summarizes the data. Again, in our YouTube Live event, Darren and Josh answered the questions for you. In this video, I'll go a little bit deeper into the calculator use. I'll start with the Nspire and then go to the 84 family. So let's go to our Nspire. The first thing we want to do on our Nspire is conduct a two-proportion Z interval. So let's create a new document. So from our home screen, we'll choose number 1, new document. We'll say we do not want to save any other document we have opened. And we'll add a calculator page. So from our calculator page, we'll press Menu, Statistics. We're going to do a two-proportion Z interval. So we'll choose Confidence Intervals, and then choice 6 is a two-proportion Z interval. Here we want to enter our summary statistics. So we have 50, 781, 105, and 2,681. Our confidence level is 95%, so we'll press OK. And there you go. There are your results. Your lower bound, your upper bound, margin of error, and so on. Now, as an extension, we want to talk about creating a chi-squared test for independence. While we're not thinking this will be on the COVID-19 version of the AP Statistics exam, it's still a good skill to have. So the first thing we need to do is enter our counts into a matrix. Now, if you press Menu in your calculator page, you'll notice choice 7 is matrix and vector. We want to create a matrix and create a matrix. Number 1. We need 2 rows and 4 columns. Press OK. And from here, we just enter our counts into this matrix, reading across the table we were given. Now we want to store that matrix in A. So we can store it above the var button as store. So we'll control var. And we're going to put that in A. It does not need to be capitalized. It can if you'd like. And press enter. And if now I press the letter A, you'll see there's our matrix again, just to confirm that we've put that matrix in A. So now we want to do our chi-squared test. So I'm going to press Menu. Go back to Statistics and Stat Tests, and number 8 is our chi-squared two-way test. It wants to know the name of our observed matrix, so we'll type A, choose OK, and there are our results. Now, let's do the same thing on our TI-84. So again, the first thing we want to do is a two-proportion Z interval. Okay, so on the 84, we're going to press Stat and Tests, and we need to choose two-proportion Z interval. We don't see that right away, so if we up arrow, it'll take us to the bottom of our choices. And you'll notice choice B is 2 proportion Z interval. And now we need to enter our information. So x1 is 50. The number of values is 781. x2, 105. And 2681. Our confidence level is 95%, so we go down to calculate and choose enter. And there are the results of our 2 proportion Z interval. Let's get our counts into a matrix. To find our matrix, we'll go to second, x to the -1 for matrix. We're going to edit matrix A, so we'll arrow over to edit and choose matrix A. Enter. We need to tell the dimensions of our matrix. Here it's 2 by 4. Press enter, and now our matrix is ready to be edited. So enter your counts. Pressing enter after each one. Once your values are in your matrix, we'll now do a chi-squared test. Let's press stat, arrow to tests, up arrow to find your chi-squared test more quickly. Choose it, letter C. Our observed matrix is what we just put in A. The expected will be populated in B for us. Arrow down to calculate. And there are your results.